Apps not downloading on App Store in iPhone fix. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix apps not downloading on App Store fix. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, slide down from the right side of your screen. You will be led to the control center. Here, go ahead and enable flight mode on your device and then restart your device. Once restarted, disable flight mode again and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Tap on the screen time option and in here go ahead and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option. Now, firstly tap on the allowed apps option and make sure all the toggle buttons in here are toggled on. Now, go a step back and tap on content and privacy restrictions option. Here, tap on the apps option and make sure the allow all option is selected. Also go back to settings and scroll down and tap on the App Store option. Here under automatic downloads, make sure the toggle button for app downloads is toggled on. Lastly, in settings again, tap on your name banner and scroll down and tap on the sign out button. You will be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password and sign yourself out firstly, and then wait for some time and sign in again. And by now, your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.